Hi, I'm Sandile Chuli, and this is my wife.
Hi, I'm Yoli.
So welcome to our home. This is our first marital home together. Absolutely love the area. It's good for kids. We're family planning right now. Lush greenery, have a good enough size yard for us to be able to raise our kids.
Plus, we're busy with renovations as well, so...
Yeah, just trying to get ready for families. So it's important for us to have a sound home. Yeah.
Aerolite Soft Touch has made living here a dream. We are saving on our electricity bills and it's much cooler in the house.
Look, it's made our life much easier, specifically when we're hosting, because we host a lot of family here, we host a lot of friends here. So it allows us not to have to turn on the aircon more often than not. Yeah. So it's quite exciting to be able to do that. So we enjoy most of our meals in this particular area, and so it allows us to have our quiet time in here. I think what's also important when we bought the house, because of the location of the property, our house sits right behind the freeway, but we no longer hear the freeway as a result of Aerolite Soft Touch. The installation process was quite simple. The contractor came through, went through our trap door, and did a simple installation. And you know, for me, simplicity is key. Aerolite Soft Touch has really been a great investment. It's probably the best investment we've made in our construction project.
It's made hosting a breeze and it's just so easy to live here.